guys, it's your girl Bree back with another video. This video is for Valentine's Day in case you want to go out on a special date or just look good for your man or look good for yourself, girl, because it's all about you. I'm first going in with a Pond's moisturizer. I'm using a matte foundation today, so you just want to make sure your skin is moisturized. After that, I'm going in with an e.l.f. primer, because when you're applying foundation, you want a nice and even base that's smooth, girl, okay? So that foundation looks smooth. And then I'm going to be priming my eyes with Maybelline concealer in the shade 30. And you just want to make sure you blend all of that out, because just like the face, for your eyelids, you want an even base so that your shadow goes on nice and easy. And the first palette I'm using in order to create this look is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going in firstly with the shade Red Ochre. And I'm just blending that out in the crease. That's just going to be our base shade, our shade to start off the look. And with the first shade, you just want to keep building and building and building. But as you're building, you just want to keep blending. You want to make sure that that color is nicely blended out. Next, I'll be going in with a brown shade from the Desi x Katie Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors. And you just want to put that color into the crease. And then after that, I'm going to cut my crease with the same concealer that I used in the beginning of the video. And the crease might take some time, so just take your time until you're happy with the crease that you have. It doesn't always have to be perfect. And then I'm going back in with that brown and outlining the cut crease so that it's just a little bit darker. And so that cut looks a little more sharp. And then I'm going in and putting a very opaque pink color over that, called Basic from the Desi and Katie Friendcation palette. And I'm just blending all the colors out so that they blend. With a soft matte look, you want to make sure everything is blending. And now I'm going in with, the hardest thing for me to do, which is liner. This is why I try to avoid it. But just take your time. Take your time. There's no rush. If you mess up with liner, there's a chance you can mess up the whole eyeshadow look. So you just want to take your time so that the end product is nice. And then I'm blending out the end of the liner so that it blends with all of my eyeshadows and doesn't just look like a big black line there, And that's it for the eyes for now, until we go with lashes. And to start off with the face, I'm going in with my NYX foundation. I love this foundation. This is like my go-to. And you just want to make sure you blend that out. Yep, you just want to make sure you blend that out. You want an even canvas for you, to work on. It's going to give you the best results. And when I blend out my foundation, I kind of pat the brush into my face or my foundation. I don't drag the brush. It's just what I do. I seem to get the best results from doing that. So that's what I've been doing. And I'm just taking a beauty blender to, you know, blend it out further. And now I'm going in with my concealer, LA Pro Girl Concealer, in the color Fawn. We love Fawn. And y'all know how to do concealer. Y'all know exactly where concealer goes, so I'm not going to go into details. But yeah, this is where I like to place my concealer. And I like that chisel look, so yeah, I can seal down there as well. It's up to you. I know not everyone likes to do it. But my face can kind of look fat, so I kind of like for my face to have a little more structure when I conceal and contour. I shouldn't say fat. Let's say round. I have like these really puffy cheeks, so sometimes like it's hard to like see my cheekbones. So I just like to bring them out when I'm concealing and contouring. And now I'm going in with my favorite powder, my Sasha Buttercup. And I'm just pressing, not really pressing it in, but placing it on my skin. I'm putting it in all the places I concealed at. And whenever I use this powder, I don't know what it is, but I'm always sneezing. It's like, I don't know if it gets in my nose or what, but I always sneeze. Speaking of sneezing, I'm sick right now, so that's why I sound so nasally, but you know. Valentine's Day is coming up, so this video has to go out for y'all. And I'm just dusting off that baking powder. But I like to leave the baking powder on the nose on, because I like for my nose to, you know, I feel like it helps it look more highlighted and contoured when I leave the powder on. And now I'm going in with another concealer, believe it or not. This is the Maybelline concealer in the shade 40. And I baked before I put it on, which I usually don't do, so now I have to rebake. Baking twice with matte foundation. Let's see how this turns out. And so yeah, I wiped that off right away because like I said, I'm baking twice. And now I'm going in with my True Complexion contour palette. And just using the darker shades to contour my face. When I use a very matte foundation, I like to use powders to contour instead of like the pomades. I just find it blends better. And so we're just making sure all that is blended out. And like I said, I really like a chisel look, so I'm going to bake down there as well. Just so my face, you know, has that the look I'm going for. You can skip this step if you don't like for your face to look as chiseled. But I like you know, a soft chiseling. And then I'm using one of the shades from the Desi and Katie palette to add blush to my face and add a pop of color. I feel like blush is very imperative when you're doing a matte look. And now I'm going in to contour my nose. And sometimes the contour can look a little strong on my nose, so I like to just go in with my warm finger and just, blend it out a little more. This is the look, guys, before lashes. You guys like him? And I'm going to do the lashes off camera because me trying to put on lashes is, girl, it's a no. I cannot do it. I can barely do it off camera, so I for sure can't do it on camera. Oh, but actually before that, what am I doing? Oh, yep. I'm highlighting. If you want to add highlighter, it's up to you. I know it's supposed to be a soft, matte kind of look. But a little highlighter won't hurt, I just like a little pop of highlight. I don't like too much. Unless I'm going for a really, very glam type of look. But this is soft glam, so you need some highlighter, girl. And I'm just setting my face. And that's the final look with lashes and everything, girl. Okay? Now you are ready to go out and have the time of your life for Valentine's Day. I'm going in, I'm doing my lips. You guys all know how to do this. But my ladies, I hope you guys have a great and brilliant Valentine's Day. And if there's any guys watching, I hope you have a great and brilliant Valentine's Day too. I hope you guys get everything you want. And it's everything you could have asked for. And even if you're sitting alone by yourself, girl, go out and do something. Treat your damn self, okay? Do your makeup and look cute for you. Because at the end of the day, that's what really matters, is you. I know sometimes Valentine's Day can be a sad time if you don't have a Valentine, but girl, forget that. You don't need a Valentine. You can be your own Valentine. Oh, and actually for this lip, there's actually a trick I do. I'm putting on matte lipstick right now. But to, kind of get that ombre look, one of the things I use is actually concealer. I know a lot of people like to use another type of lip product, but I find that concealer really works when you're trying to do a nude ombre. And you'll see that in the following clips as I apply it. So I'm applying it there. I know for darker skin tones, sometimes it's hard to find the right matte shades, and it's kind of hard to find the right shade to ombre with. So what's a better shade than your concealer? And I'm just going to add a little gloss, and that's really going to be my look, to be honest. Or you can leave it matte. It's up to you. But girls, remember that it's all about you and to enjoy your Valentine's Day. And please remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know below if you're a matte type of girl, a nude type of girl, or a gloss type of girl. Until next time, I see you guys later. Peace.